Okay, on that Netflix, what happened is I started to see, let's see, I think I saw Netflix come up, make a new day low, and then I noticed the 15-minute chart, it kept ticking away, kind of stopped, and then Netflix started again, and that's when I started looking at it. And, uh, Livy and I were sitting there talking about it, and finally, you take a look at the chart, and here's the daily. From here to this high over here, you can see we're trending down, and then we have um, a gap up right here on high volume, and then a bearish day. So that's a blow off gap that couldn't make a higher high. If we come over here and look at say the 2-hour, 4-hour chart, there we go, there it is. If we come over here and look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that gap right there, and those two candles right there. We've got this gap, then we've got this shooting star that could not make a higher high. So we're starting that trend to the downside. Now there certainly is support in here. There's no guarantee this is going to work out, other than from the time it was bought, it's working out about 727 reasons why I should be in it. So it's working out right now, but we still need this thing to cave in. We need to get through, as Olivia was saying, the 180 level. Get through 180, come down here and test 175-ish, drop out of 175. That's where the money is, right here. This is just kind of keep your eyes on it, be careful, because it could change directions in a heartbeat area. But down here is where some money is. If we, let's just watch this for a second. There we go. We're getting another 15-minute low here. Netflix, and we've gone from 0.7 normalized volume to 0.8, and we've gone from 27 to 31, now 32 in overall volume. That's good for us if we're short. That's very good for us. So we'll just keep an eye on this. Here's that 30-minute chart on the SPY again, and we did our little bounce right there. We did our little bullish bounce. Now let's see if it holds up. If this does not hold, which I really have my doubts. Now that doesn't mean that we can't, the bulls can't find enough strength to move up. That certainly is possible. But what I doubt is it's going to go anywhere. If the bulls found the strength from here to move up, I think what's likely to happen is, more downside and breaking down through these lows. I think we're looking at this, what is this, 150 to 75 area, which on the daily is the 34 EMA right in there. So I think that's where we're headed to at this point. If the market was to close right now, I would have to say we see a lower low tomorrow. So more downside to come, it looks like. Our UVXY is coming up pretty nice here. If we take a look at the chart, hindsight's a wonderful thing, but that's how we learn. We learn what to expect from what hindsight is. And here, we've certainly been moving in a downtrend, and I would expect that downtrend to change until maybe some candlesticks start moving around and start shifting and changing a little bit. And if you look at the candlesticks here, you are in a lot of little inverted hammers here, inverted type. It just starting. We're not getting the wicks right in here like we should, and the body in here is not like it should. But whenever you see a body, wicks at the top, at the bottom, that's a sign that the bulls are starting to step in. And if you look at the market as a whole, well, this is corresponding with just what the market is doing. So then all of a sudden we gap up, we held up above the T-line, and we're having a nice day today. So we've got that whole T-line run starting right here. I would venture to bet we see the 20 today, possibly higher. Uh, Certainly can't say whether we're going to close over it, but the way things are going, I would say we see something a little bit higher yet. I think it's a little dangerous to be buying it right now. It might be a little bit too high.